What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. Today we got a super sick video. We are out here in Silver Lake, Michigan. We're going to be ripping the sand dunes. I don't know if you can see it all the way back there. This is a video that I've been wanting to make for a really long time, so I'm super excited to be doing this today. This is my first time ever riding on sand, so I am a little nervous for this, but we're gonna make it work. I'm curious to see how the Stark does in the sand. And before I hop on the bike, I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for 3K subs. But all right, guys, that is enough of me talking. Let's go rip the dunes. All right, let's hit this massive hill climb. This thing is actually huge. Jesus Christ. This is gonna be sketchy. See what's up here. It's so scary rolling over these because you have no idea if a dune buggy's about to just blast you. A lot of people always ask me, how is the Stark battery life? And usually it's great, but in this stuff, it's horrible. It's dying so quick. If you guys are wondering why it sounds so loud, it's because the sand paddle is like rubbing up on the back fender thing. So it sounds really weird. Sheesh! Ooh, what happened over here? Someone crashed maybe or something? The arm pump's so nasty. It's so much worse than dirt. Some more trail stuff over here, I think. Let's go see. I'm so scared of, like, someone's gonna be right there when I go up a hill. I'm just gonna get nailed. At least I do got the flag on, but still. So like that, you just can't see anything. It's terrifying. Yes, sir. If you guys like this sand dunes type of content, let me, oh God. It's actually perfect weather out here today. It's not too hot. It's like 70 degrees. Anything hotter, I would be dying. This is awesome. It looks beautiful out here. Look at that view. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty. God, I almost ate shit. Oh boy, big hill climb. Yeah, baby. Come on. It's probably not good that the tire's scraping on that back fender. A quad would be ideal out here. You could be ripping. But I'm not a quad guy. It's like a minefield of potholes out here. Jeez. Little water holes, actually, I should say. Sneak through. Sorry if I'm not talking a whole lot. It's like hard to concentrate and ride, do everything at once. Oh gosh, more potholes. Those are so sketchy, Jesus. Imagine flying through one of those. Skirt! I bet the Can-Ams are a ton of fun out here too. Those things probably rip. Alright guys, I'm making my way back to the truck right now. If you guys enjoyed this video, definitely drop a like. If you guys enjoyed the Dune type of content, let me know because I can definitely come back out here again. It's about to pour rain right now and my bike's on 14%, so I figured I'm just gonna call it a day. But thank you guys for watching as always, and until next time, peace out.